I've always been singing. I've always been in the elite choirs in high school and college. I'm trying to remember the teacher I had, even at the Hebrew Academy, I was in the choir. Like I said, when I learned how to sing in the synagogue, I always wanted to be a cantor. And when I was at the Hebrew Academy growing up, my father was really a stage mother. He was my force behind me. And once he learned that I could sing, he wanted me to be singing on TV at the time. And like the Ed Sullivan Show, you know, that was his dream. He wanted to get Sara on TV. And unfortunately, it didn't happen before he died. But what he did do while he was alive, he would take me to USO. I was like, they did these variety shows. This woman by the name of Jean somebody or other, my brother played the accordion. And I sang, not with my brother, but I would sing songs like Tan Shoes with Pink Shoelaces, and stuff that Baby Face, and stuff way before your time. And I would sing to the soldiers. I would go to Fort Myers, I would go to Walter Reed, and I sang in these variety shows with the USO, entertaining soldiers, when I was 8 years old. And, you know, when I tell people that, they're like, yeah, right. I did want to become a singer, but after my father died, truthfully, I didn't have that direction. He was my stage mom. And although I kept singing, I never tried out for shows. I mean, it's ridiculous looking back. I didn't do that. But when I was, I don't remember, maybe in my 30s, I had a girlfriend who asked me to sing at her parents' anniversary. She said, could you put together some Yiddish songs? Because they would love it if you could sing some Yiddish and Hebrew. I said, sure. You know, I was like, wow, okay, sing at their anniversary. I got paid $50. I was so excited. But I put together a show, and that was the first time I actually began singing Yiddish songs. And, you know, as I said, I knew the accent well from being around everybody. People think that it is my mama Lushan. But from that one gig, I began to get all kinds of requests to sing at Jewish clubs, organizations, senior facilities, blah, blah, blah. So, you know, that's how I got into singing Yiddish. And I did also begin to try out for shows, but it wasn't until it was till later on. It's crazy. And I made several shows. I was in a lot of shows, actually, but I never was in Carnegie Hall or Broadway or something, and that's probably the direction I should have gone in. But I didn't have the oomph, you know? I didn't have the strength back then.